We started out just wanting to give the master bathroom a facelift. And as we progressed along the project, we kept adding different things to do, and we ended up literally renovating the entire bathroom, which I have absolutely no regrets about. It was a big undertaking, but it came out absolutely beautiful, beyond my wildest dreams. Sometimes it's made it a little hard to go to different hotels because now I'm judging their bathrooms by my bathroom. And I really absolutely love how it turned out. Working with Goedecke has just been really, really a dream. People were here in a timely fashion. Everybody was wonderful to work with. Really, it ended up much easier than what I anticipated. Goedecke made it so easy. They really did a wonderful job covering my floors, my carpeting, protecting my home. One of the things that meant a lot to me is that they were able to work within my budget, and I didn't feel embarrassed or funny saying it's not within my budget. I mean, I really felt like they were able to work with me within the money that I had to spend, and I really did appreciate that.